Track day, bro. Brian's got a serious face on already. It's go time. It's a little longer than I thought. It didn't seem like it went out around the buildings. Traction off. No. It just sucks. You're gonna have to baby it. I
don't know what to do.
Yeah, I know, I don't either. It just, how do you do it? Shift is 6,500. It seemed like that worked. It's before it really gets into boost, so it might help. And you're like, I'm done with it. If we die, we die. Yeah. Nice, nice. I can't believe the lead car is a Hellcat.
Maybe let's switch it back on.
Get it out! Oh! Bob in that thing.
Someone needs to catch a Hellcat. There's a G Wagon leaning.
I think the fender was on the top. Vent Donuts round 2. Rod's about to kill the whole game. All the way up. All the way up. Look at the kill the game photographers showing up over here. You're almost there. Yep. Oh, shoot, no. I think we're gonna make like a half lap. The other end. Let me show you how to do a donut.
No pressure, thanks.
Oh, are they clearing the cones for you?
I'm gonna come and make a left, so turn this way.
Damn! Woohoo! No. it shut down.
It actually stalls out.
Yeah. Dad's car, son's car. We got some fans. What's going on, guys? Rolling into Chicago. That is a cool drawbridge. Another one! We have arrived. That's a hotel. Trump Hotel is lit. All right, this is by far the best one so far. Miles and miles and miles above. Waterfall, you know, water deals in the shower, whatever, bathtub, and this shower is sweet. It's like integrated with the bathtub. Hey, there's like a remote in here. Is this for the system? What's up with that? A TV? Oh, I bet the mirror is a TV. All right, we're gonna fire that up here in a second. Kitchenette, dope, dope, dope. The TV's dope. It's like Samsung Series 8, 9, something legit. The beds, it's all dope. And get rid of all this stuff. Get rid of this can. Now let's try out this mirror TV and I'll show you the view. This is turning into a longer deal than I expected just because of this. Okay, on. Ah, there's a TV. This place is fire. I'm excited. Literally was just saying, I'm so tired of staying at every hotel that is the same. And this hotel is not the same. It even turns up the TV with automation.
They're looking for. And I'm sorry, I'm not going to put my relationship on the forefront.
Okay.
Who are you dating?
I won't shut off.
And I'm not going to say that.
I give up.
Are you dating someone?
I am.
You are?
Yeah.
Is it the same person that you were dating?
It doesn't work at all. I'm over it. That's that. Dishwasher, Sub-Zero fridge. Woo! Yeah! That is what's up. We've got some skyline, some old school buildings, some new school. Whew. I love it. This hotel is amazing. You walk through the spa, and then you go to the locker room, and then you end up in the pool, and they guide you to the locker room. It's insane. Okay, I know it's totally weird to shoot in like a bathroom, but you walk through the locker room next, and then here's water and more lockers, and then like, this is insane. And then skip the bathroom part, sinks, and then the steam room and the sauna, and a full RGB shower. I'm gonna take a shower down here just because it's better than the room. It has the shower that I'm trying to put in my house, the Kohler, whatever. This is the $10,000 one that I desperately need. All right, how do you get to the pool? Okay, I still have no idea how you find the pool. Do not enter steam room. I give up. There were people in the pool, so I'm not gonna go swimming, but this gym is exactly what I want in my house. Freaking, even like the equipment's right. It's got concepts. Oh, yes. 2 concepts overlooking Chicago. Look at all these treadmills. Is this not the best hotel?
This is crazy, man.
I'm in love with this hotel,
I know,
dude.
it freaking kicks
I've been in so many
ass.
hotels and I'm just over it, and this place, off the chain.
Me too, man. I mean,
Hey, hey, thanks.
I just want to thank you guys for the, obviously all of you guys aren't going to the next half. But this is the 11th rally that I've done. I got to say that between launching in one of the worst cities in the world, ending in one of the toughest cities with traffic and everything else, being inside Detroit and Cleveland, which can be a little bit of a challenge, this has been actually one of the best rallies that I have personally have had. You guys, a lot of new faces in here. Everyone's been mixing and mingling very well. Nothing crazy with the police, no accidents. Other than Rodrigo.
What?
Oh, sorry.
What?
Sorry, kid!
Alright, you guys want to see what the suite looks like? They close off 2 rooms and give it all to you. Alright. Anybody in here? You guys in here? No. This is another room. Another room. Another room. Filled with confetti. Everyone in the world.
I showed her your
Yeah!